4 types of credit card processors to avoid. A good credit card processor is hard to find. There are 4 types of processors to avoid. 1. The Fee Fanatic. The Fee Fanatic is all about wringing customers dry. Your monthly processing statements will suddenly be filled with strange fees. The prices you originally agreed on will become increasingly blurred. You'll scratch your head in confusion and wonder how it all happened. There should be no confusion in your rates. Get a detailed quote and find out exactly how much you'll pay in processing fees each month. Ask for references and talk to current customers. Avoid the Fee Fanatic and stick with processors that give you a fair deal. 2. The Contract Crusader. The Contract Crusader takes contracts to a new level. They don't hesitate to lock you into a contract and throw away the key. You shouldn't have to sign a contract to get great credit card processing. Find a processor that's confident enough to let their services speak for themselves. 3. The Data Exposer. The Data Exposer doesn't care about security. They're not PCI compliant and don't use tokenization, encryption, or other data security methods. Their lax attitude puts customers at risk. Find a processor that takes security seriously and protects customer data. 4. The Support Outsourcer. The Support Outsourcer doesn't want to deal with your problems. If you have a question about your processing, they're usually nowhere to be found. Instead, support gets outsourced to call centers. Look for a processor that offers 24/7 in-house customer support. Avoid the middleman and get straight to the source with an in-house customer support team. Avoiding these 4 shady characters is a good start, but how do you find a good processor? Look for the all-in-one payment processor. They give you everything you need to process payments, from mobile solutions to accounting integrations to point-of-sale solutions. Whatever you need, they'll have it. They'll give you fair rates without locking you into a contract, and they'll take security seriously and protect your data with PCI compliance, tokenization, and encryption. Finally, they'll be there for you every day with 24/7 customer support. To learn more about our processing services, visit www.centurybizsolutions.com or call us at 888-500-7798.